Let's perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, we're gonna start with the lock screen. In here, if you tap on the lock screen, you should be able to easily unlock the phone. Usually, you don't have to hold your finger for too long. In my case, most of the time, tapping does the job. Sometimes I get the message that I have to hold my finger for a little bit longer, but generally speaking, a tap does the work. There we go. So due to the fact that we have an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, we get a really fast responsive fingerprint sensor. So you don't have to hold your finger for too long in order to be able to unlock your phone. The animation is also quite smooth, and I don't think there are any issues with the sensor whatsoever. Of course, it might be slightly different if you have, let's say, AOD enabled. So let me just quickly turn it on in here. I'm gonna switch to always so that the AOD is always going to be visible after I lock the phone. And of course, when AOD is activated, we still have the fingerprint sensor active. This allows us, at least in theory, to quickly unlock the phone even when we are not on the lock screen. However, usually always on display or when the phone is completely off, the sensor is slightly slower. This is quite natural, nothing really unusual in here, because most of the time sensors need a little bit of time to, I guess, to wake up, to activate itself. But in this case, if you have AOD enabled, if you want to unlock your phone with the fingerprint sensor from AOD, most of the time you don't have to hold for too long. Usually it is like a little bit longer tap, I guess, like you have to just press it maybe, not exactly a tap, but like press instead of like holding. And this does the job quite well. Of course, when the sensor is not visible, and if you try to unlock your phone, it's going to take a little bit longer to actually unlock the phone. It is still possible. So as you can see now, the phone is locked, but I can still unlock my phone if I know where the sensor is located. In this case, tapping might work, although from my experience I can tell that usually it doesn't really work, like a simple tap. And in this case, we actually do have to hold for like a short time. It's still a really short time. We don't have to hold for too long to allow the sensor to recognize our fingerprint, but it is a noticeable difference. Still pretty small. So I think the sensor is really fast and really responsive. This is quite natural for ultrasonic sensors, which is of course really great. It's really great that we do have this type of fingerprint sensor on this phone. It allows you to quickly unlock the phone without holding your finger for so long. You can just quickly tap on it or just press the sensor and just go right into your phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.